Hello, I'm Leo Page at MarineMax at Bahia in historic downtown Pensacola, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our Sea Ray 280 SLX. The SLX is the top of the range for the Sea Ray sport boats. This vessel is in Sea Ray blue with the powerful tower. As we come around to the stern of the boat, you'll see a nice oversized swim platform, as well as a very large sun pad with cup holders and a set of speakers facing to the rear of the boat. Boarding's extremely easy with the oversized swim platform that's also covered in sea deck. Companionway leading into the cockpit of the boat. First thing you'll notice to the port is a helm seat for the passenger, as well as access to the head. And at the helm we have a two-person helm seat with easy access to your switches, which are clearly labeled, as well as nice flush-mounted chrome bezeled gauges and easy access to the stereo control. As we look to the rear of the cockpit, you'll notice ample seating for friends and family, as well as both seats at the helm and passenger side swivel around to join into the conversation. Access to the head's extremely easy on the port side of the boat with an oversized door, leading into a head that's nicely finished out with sea deck flooring. Counter space with a mirror as a porthole, sink, as well as a vacuum flush head. As we move forward in the boat, you'll notice nice little features like recessed grab handles and recessed cup holders, as well as ample accent lighting, as well as courtesy lighting. This vessel is also equipped with a windlass. Large backrest with armrest for the forward passengers. Come by MarineMax at Bahia in downtown historic Pensacola, Florida, and ask for Leo Page today to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned Sea Ray boats.